Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Nacho Dad. If you look behind me here, we've got the Honda TRX300 powered golf cart project. We're about to load it up on the trailer. Got the trailer hooked to the Jeep. We're gonna run down to Greg's down at Redbeard's garage. He's got a few things. We're gonna do some trading around, and he's gonna wind up with this project so that it might actually get finished and not just sit in my backyard. So I'll flip this camera around, show you guys what's up, and we'll load this thing up. We'll take it down there and see what we can come up with. Alright guys, so this is the golf cart. I made a little video on it when I went and picked it up. I traded a Minibike for it. And as you can see, it's got Honda TRX300 front suspension grafted onto it, so it's full independent front with disc brakes. It's got a new rack in it. It's a 5 or 6 speed, so guy had slap shift in it. Was going to put the clutch lever and everything on it. There's the engine. Rear suspension's off of it. It never got finished. He just kind of mocked it together and then lost interest, had too many other projects. So I traded him the Minibike for it, and what with current events going on, I'm not in a position to finish it. And instead of it sitting here for another couple months, I hollered at old Greg, and he said, yeah, bring it on down. So I'm gonna take it down. We're gonna do some trading around. I don't know if I'm gonna get to film there, but I'll show you loading me this. I'll show you guys me loading this on the trailer. Got the handy dandy winch. Jump on here real quick. Sketch balls. And there we go. That's it. I'm gonna strap this thing down and cinch it, and we're gonna head on down towards Redbeard's. So I'll bring you guys back when we're on the road, or if we get there I might do some filming. But if not, when I get back I'll show you what all we got. Hey everybody, it's Nacho Dad, and I'm back from Redbeard's house. We're actually down here at Chick-fil-A. It's about 9 o'clock at night. And this is what I went and picked up. This is the high-tech Minibike minus the high-tech engine. So it's a Mega Moto 212 frame that he's added these 20-inch, 18-inch, I want to say 20, 24-inch swing arm to the back of it. Got all this suspension on it. I wasn't able to get the engine, which I'm okay with that. That thing's a little pricey and a little bit of a pain to work on. And I didn't want all that. I got enough 212s. I picked up some more engines and another torque converters, or 3. So I've got plenty of stuff. Old Greg hooked me up with a bunch of parts. So this week we're going to try to get this thing running. We're going to go do some trail riding. But that's it for this video, guys. This little teaser. Stay tuned. Later this week I'll try to get something out on this. We'll try to get it running and ripping around. But yeah, high-tech Minibike's got a new home over at Nacho Dad's garage. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Stay safe.